Listen, friends, I have an affiliate marketing secret method that is for complete beginners. The best part about this method is the simplicity. It's so simple. It's easy. Oh, and guess what? It's free. I know a lot of you always thinking you need to have a whole lot of followers. Don't need it. Also, let me guess. You've probably tried a whole bunch of other methods before and you're thinking, oh my gosh, Shelly, like this is not gonna work. I've tried all kinds of stuff. Well, I say secret method because I have never seen it done. Like, not the way I'm gonna show you. And you have to have content, but I'm going to show you exactly how to come up with it yourself without doing any work. I'm serious. Now, if you're thinking this is going to be hard and there's like 10 steps in this, it's not. Literally, there's 4 steps. 4. Number 1 is you got to find the product. I'm going to show you how to find the product. Number 2 is to find the content piece. Number 3, I'm going to show you how to turn it into yours. Number 4 is I'm going to show you exactly where to promote it and how. That's free. You know you love free traffic. Before we get into the video, I wanted to let you know that my first link has some free training. It's actually pinned at the top of the group that has like 33,000 people in it. It's free affiliate marketing training. So don't go watch it now. After the video, then you can go watch it. All right, you ready to get into this video? Because it's pretty cool. So I'm telling you. Here we go. Now, the first step is we are going to go over to find a product. And I say we go to clickbank.com because there's tons of stuff out here. And we're going to go to marketplace. And usually I do health and wealth because it's really popular. You know, if you could look for finance, make money online, relationships, stuff like that does really good too. Health and fitness. And then I'll tend to go over here. And if you go by gravity, kind of tells you about what's been doing really good. Let's see. T-burn. Gravity, pretty good. Sometimes I'll look at the affiliate page. Okay, I like that logo. Okay, and then what you'll do is click on this promote button, and then you're going to create a hop link. This right here is going to be your link. Now you can take and copy it so you don't get confused and put it in a Word document, but I usually just leave this screen open right here. All right, now the second step is to find our content that we're going to be able to utilize. So I figured since we did tea and a lot of women drink tea, so I went to Google and I Googled top weight loss books for women. Now hang in here with me because what we're doing is this book is valuable. It's something that somebody wants. So we've searched to make sure that we know that it's obviously something that somebody wants and that they're going to open it and read it. And then that way they're going to see your affiliate links inside of it. Yeah, pretty cool, right? For example, let's say that you're in the Make Money Online niche. So you do top Make Money Online niche books. Or if you're in crochet, can I say that right? Crochet? We'll say knitting. If you're in knitting, top knitting books, or even top knitting books for women. I did the women thing, like I said, because a lot of women drink tea. I mean, you know, not that I'm cutting the guys out or anything, but I went down here and I took this book and it's Fast, Feast, and Repeat. So now, hang with me. Now the third step is to turn it into your own. Don't trust me? Stay with me. We're going to go to the site z-lib.org. And don't worry about it because I'll have all the links in the description for you. So what we're going to do here, this site here has a bunch of books, like over 10,000 books and a whole bunch of different niches. So the book we found, Fast, Feast, Repeat, we're going to look for Fast, Feast, Repeat. Now you may find a couple different books of the same or different versions. What it is really is like one may be able to, like if we click on the first one, see how it has this download? Some of them may not. So if you find one that doesn't, then just keep going down till you find one that does. And if the book doesn't, find another book. What we're going to do here is if you click next to it here and then convert to PDF, sometimes this may pop up, sometimes it may not. If it comes up, go ahead and just sign up. In here with me, guys, because I'm telling you, you're going to figure out how to make a lot of money using this method. Now we're going to go to another free site. It's going to be sodapdf.com. It's a PDF editor. Don't worry about the site. I'll have it down in the description for you. There's all kinds of tools here, but we're going to use the PDF editor. So if you'll choose the one you just saved. All right, I went ahead and uploaded it. We have it right here. The reason why we're doing this is because this way we're going to be able to put our affiliate link for our tea we're promoting throughout the book. Now, all you do is just say we wanted to do this page. So what we want to do is you will go over here to type text. I'm just using this one at the top for now. And then if you go over to the product we chose with the tea, we're going to click on copy because this was our link for our tea burn. So we want to click here to try tea burn. If you click on edit and then highlight, click here or click on edit and then click here, the link. Okay, so you want to go to link and then you want to make sure it has this little plus and then open web page, paste that link in. Okay, add. Okay, it's a little off. Let's click on edit, move it over a little bit. Okay, now what you're going to want to do, I had to even it up, is you're going to take this same thing and you're going to want it to be, I don't know, every 20, 30 pages, definitely every chapter. Because what's going to happen is, remember, we made sure that this was a high converting offer. So as someone is reading this book, since it's related, you can even be like, hey, oh, okay, click here to try some tea burn. And it's for women. A lot of women like tea. I, for one, love tea. So it's more of a chance that they're actually going to click on it and buy this from you. Hey guys, if you're getting anything out of this, do me a favor and give me a like. But now for the step 4, you're probably wondering, okay, well, you know, where am I going to promote it and for free that's going to help me make a bunch of money? So let me show you how you can promote this book where people actually want to read it to be able to then go through the book to see your affiliate offer. First, we want to make it easy for them to get. So go ahead and go to Google and we're just going to Google Drive. And if you don't have Google Drive, then you're just going to go to Google Drive right here. And if you have a Google account, then you can go ahead and just use that Google account and get in. So from your Google Drive, after you click on new, what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Upload, and then go to where you saved the file. So if you right click on this and then do share and see where this says restricted, then just say anyone with this link and then copy this link, done. Then I would actually go to Facebook. Now, do you see where I have this right here? Now, I have a book right here. Okay, you can do the same thing if you have a TikTok account or if you have an Instagram account or even a TikTok account. Did I say TikTok? A TikTok account. But I have a book right here and you could do the exact same thing. This here is I'm giving it away for free to get them into a group. You could do the exact same thing. You could even just, if you don't have a group, you could just say this is a free book and give everybody the free book because this right here is free. It's free traffic. This right here is free traffic. Then the other idea is still using Facebook free traffic. Now, if you was to go to groups, now, I'm in the Make Money Online niche, but let's just say we wanted to do health and wealth. All right. So what you want to do is you want to find big groups, but you want to make sure like they're active. Health, wealth. Honestly, this one would be a good one because it's, I don't know if it's like private. You can always just ask to join. I doubt it's probably just private where you just need to ask to join. 4 posts a day. That's not too bad. Let's see here. See all. 9 posts a week. I don't know about that. Okay, 10 posts a day. So I would ask to join some of these that are, busy, and the cool thing is if that's your niche, it's going to be something that you're interested in anyways. And while you're in there, you might learn something. And if someone's asking any questions or anything and it relates to your book, and this is the good thing about it not being yours, because you could be like, hey, I have this really cool book I found and I'm loving it. Can I send it to you? It's free, and as long as they say, sure, you can. And then you can, if you're allowed to make posts, you can even make a post to be like, hey, and don't lie if you're not reading it, but if you've read a little bit of it, you could put, I'm starting to read this book and I'm really loving it and I think it might help you guys. If you're interested, no big deal, just let me know. and then you wouldn't believe that kind of post. Oh my goodness. Like, if you make it sound like it's not that big of a deal, you're going to get tons of people wanting the book, and then send them the book in through Messenger, as long as the group doesn't care. Most of them don't care. Did you like the video? And if you like this kind of content, then you totally need to subscribe to my channel. Hello. And did you know if you ring that notification bell, that bell, like you get notified for every time one of my videos comes out? Yes. And don't forget, in the first link, I have free training. Schedule some time, go watch that. Literally just getting into a Facebook group, it's at the top. Now, if by some chance you did like this video, then I think that you're gonna like this next video up. It has to do with affiliate marketing as well, because Shelly loves affiliate marketing. So I'm in that video. Won't you come see me? See you in there.